Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today in this episode we will be learning how to fix Plex Subtitle not working on your smartphone. Subtitles are essential for accessibility, language comprehension, and viewer engagement. So if you are using Plex and your subtitles aren't showing up, then this guide will walk you through the steps to troubleshoot the issue. First of all, make sure that the Plex application you are using is updated to the latest version on your smartphone. Launch open your Google Play Store or your App Store, and then in the search bar type in Plex and search. From the search results displayed on the screen, open up this Plex app info section and check if there is an update button available. If you see one, immediately tap the update button to get the latest version of Plex. Once you update to the latest version of Plex, open up the application, and once you're inside the home page after signing in, go ahead and make sure that your device is also connected to a stable internet, since subtitle loading will take internet connection. So if you don't have a stable internet connection, you might not be able to see the subtitle option. Now go ahead and select one of the movies or TV show after connecting to a stable internet. Now you can go ahead and check the subtitle by tapping the Watch Now button after you open up this info page of a TV show or movie. And after the movie or TV show starts, make sure to tap on the middle of the screen to bring up this playback setting option, and then tap on the three dots at the bottom right and go to subtitles. Now some of the movies or TV shows out there will not have a subtitle in it. So if there is none, it means that the subtitle option is not available for this specific movie. So in that case, you might want to go ahead and check other movies out there with subtitles. Not every movies and TV shows out there have subtitles, so if you find one, then you can go ahead and turn on the subtitle setting for that specific movie or show. If that still doesn't work, then you can go ahead and clear the cache on your Plex application. From the home page, go to the top right corner and tap on your initial. Click on Settings in the pop-up menu and then click on Advanced. Under Advanced, click on Reset Cache, and the cache data will then be reset from your Plex account. Now you can go ahead and choose any other movie or TV show where you might have subtitle settings, and you can enable it from there. So that was pretty much how you can get your Plex subtitles working back on your iPhone or your Android device. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.